Hey, what's up, familia? In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can schedule Instagram posts both direct and manually using my favorite tool, Later. So I know there's a million Instagram tools out there, but this is the one that I love, trust, and have used for years, and the same one that I recommend to all my members inside the Business Lounge as well as my private coaching clients. And I wanted to show you how you can use it. So it's very simple. One of the things that I love about this tool is that they actually create a roster of assets, of images that you can upload. My husband and I share an account because you can have up to 2 Instagram accounts on their paid plan. And I absolutely love being able to deposit all of our Instagram assets into this library. Now, one of the cool things that you can do is show assets via filters and say, hey, Later, only show me unused media, meaning all the photos and the videos that I haven't posted yet, or show me, all the used media as a contrast. So I really like leveraging this asset. You can also go in individual images as you upload them and add labels or notes, edit them within the app itself, and lots of really neat features that we just don't have time to get into in this tutorial. But to upload a photo, all you're going to do is click on Upload Media. Up here, you can actually import it from your computer or, which I have plenty of images to upload here, or you can actually go in and upload directly from Google Drive or Dropbox. Once you have your photos or your videos or your Instagram stories added into this library, all you're going to do is come over to the calendar and then drag and drop them. So let's say that I want to schedule this image right here. All I'm going to do is drag it, and then I'm going to write the caption. So one of the things that I love and saves me a lot of time is that you can have saved captions that you can immediately just add into. I use this feature as a way of adding hashtags because I saved my hashtags, and I can easily, with the click of one finger, literally add them all there. You also have an advanced feature, which is hashtag suggestions. I really like this because you can go in and type in hashtags, and then they'll show you a list of related ones. So if I say social media marketing, they're going to suggest a bunch of different hashtags that you can look at in terms of posts and all of the different relevance percentages, which is really cool. And of course, you can add a first comment as well with your post. If you are going to schedule this to be automatically published, you can edit the photo here as well. For example, this ratio or the dimensions of this photo isn't ideal for a square crop. So I can go in and immediately decide how I want this photo to be published automatically, or I can kind of choose more of a portrait feel. All that stuff is in there. You can add filters. It's pretty amazing in terms of what you can do with this handy tool. Now, I love having a LinkedIn bio. This is actually a great feature that they leverage where you can add a specific link that's unique to your Instagram account. And when you post on your page, they'll automatically switch that link. So this is my LinkedIn bio link. And what you'll see here when you click on it is a variety of different posts, and each have their individual links. So this actually expands my reach and allows my audience to find specific links on specific podcast episodes or videos on YouTube or lead magnets, products, workshops, all that good stuff. I love having this. And as you can see here, it easily connects to whatever landing page you want to redirect this to automatically. And the way that you do that is really simple. Select your link that you want to add, and then you would add it here to the link in bio. You can also add a location if you want, and then select whether or not you want to auto-publish this. So do you want Instagram to receive this post automatically from Later, or do you want to be alerted on your smartphone and then manually publish the post via the Later app? I'm old school. I happen to notice that there is a difference whenever I publish automatically versus manually. So I'm still old school and I manually publish everything. But you might want to save a little bit of time and experiment with the auto publish feature, and you can do that here. So if you want to send a notification via the app, you can select the time and date down here. Or if you want to auto publish, just keep auto publish there. And then you're going to click save. Of course, you're going to be able to have that post already scheduled here, and you'll see that as soon as it's posted, it'll be kind of shaded in gray. Now for stories, you're gonna wanna just click on the stories tab and you can immediately just transfer the story here. I'm going to say no because it doesn't matter, but basically just schedule the story. You can hit save and it'll literally alert you the minute it's ready to be published. Whenever you schedule it, it'll send you a notification. Stories can't be auto-published as far as I know on Later, but that might change in the future. So definitely check out the link below to figure out if it's actually something that is available or not. And I should say, this video is not sponsored by Later. They haven't reached out to me. I don't have an affiliate link. Well, at least not right now. There might be one eventually in the future, but I love this tool. I genuinely use it. My team loves it. And I wanted to share it with you. There's no specific strings attached. All right, so last thing I love about Later is the fact that they have a full calendar view, so you can see exactly what your feed will look like, and you can preview your feed as well if that's something that's important to you. So you can see here, you have all the posts that you've already published, and you can kind of rearrange posts as well if you want. So you can click on preview, and let's say that you wanted to have this post be published after that one, you can do it as well. I know this is the same photo, but this is just an example. You can totally reorganize your feed however you want based on how it looks, not just the content that you want to publish. And that's pretty amazing, especially if you're a social media manager. All right, I know I said that this was the last thing, but there is one more thing that I want to show you about Later, and that's their analytics. This is probably my favorite part of it, and it looks like I gotta refresh my connection, so I'm gonna do that and be right back. And we're back, and this is Later's analytics. I love having access to this information in addition to Instagram's built-in analytics, because I get to see specific date ranges, which is something that analytics doesn't show you inside of Instagram. So I love that we have best performing posts here. I can look at my engagement rate. I can take a look at my audience and get more insights on them, where they're from. Post performance, I can go in here and totally edit this information. So I can say, hey, show me my best post for the last 3 months. And then I want to see it based on not just engagement, but I want to actually see saves. What has gotten the most amount of saves? What has gotten the most amount of clicks in the link in bio? All of that stuff, super powerful and super helpful as you kind of analyze your analytics. You can also see story performance and hashtag analytics. Love this. I think it is well worth $19 a month. At least that's the price I believe right now. And I definitely think it's something that you should check out. And hey, I could talk about tools for social media marketing all day long, but I want you to watch my other videos. And the next one is going to show you how you can create a full-blown content marketing strategy with a follow-up template that you can print out, fill out with me as I take you through the process. So if you're interested in creating an Instagram strategy, you're definitely going to want to watch that video. It's going to be linked somewhere here, and I hope to see you there.